Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play whole EO offline full guide. Install the correct APK or enable offline mode, then grant storage and network permissions. I will walk you through setup, troubleshoot common install errors, and explain how to optimize controls for offline play. Stay relaxed while I explain each step in simple language so you can jump into matches quickly and enjoy smooth, ad-free gameplay on your device. In this video, I will explain how to play whole EO offline full guide. Practice precise swipes and learn when to chase clusters versus retreating for safety. I cover momentum techniques, timing for merges, and how to use the arena edge defensively. You will get tips on reading enemy behavior, maximizing size quickly, and staying adaptable when the map changes. These simple tactics make offline matches far more satisfying and competitive. In this video, I will help with how to play whole EO offline full guide. Start by adjusting graphics and frame rate to match your device capabilities, then close background apps and clear cache for smoother play. I will show how to free up RAM, manage battery settings, and keep touch input responsive. Following these steps will reduce crashes and make every offline match feel fluid and responsive on lower-end devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.